Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ZRX. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of ZRX broke out another down channel after the breakout from a very huge down channel on the 7 days time frame chart. And recent down channel was broken out on the daily time frame. And this was my last video that I shared almost 8 days ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice rally. The technical target was here at the top of the channel, approximately at 61 or 62 cents. And you can see that the price then has rallied beyond that target up to 91 cents. And now it has retested this very long-term support that was previously working as a resistance of a very big ascending triangle. If you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then this was a triangle. And you can see that after the breakout, we had a very nice pump. And recently, the price end was again re-entered the same triangle. And now the previous resistance of the triangle is working as support for the price end of ZRX. And we will also analyze this support. And I would also like to share this previous breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term down channel as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for ZRX that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members on 22nd of June 2022. And that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal, guard the pattern that ZRX formed on the monthly time frame chart. And this was a very long-term trade signal. And so far, this signal has produced more than 400% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for Troy, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 14th of December 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target line. Now, let me to take you to the long-term trade signal for ZRX. And this was a very big harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that ZRX formed on the monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And therefore, this was a quite long-term trade signal. You can see when I shared this signal at that time, the price line of ZRX was moving approximately at 28.27 cents. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And so far, it has produced almost a more than 400% pump. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of ZRX. And recently, you can see that ZRX broke out this channel. And I was telling you, even before the breakout from this channel, I was telling you that target will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 61 cents. And you can see that the price then has rallied beyond that target for a while. We also broke out this long-term resistance of 70 cents as well. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 70 cents has been previously breaking as a very strong support here and resistance here for a few weeks. It has been breaking as a resistance here and almost as a support here as well. And therefore, again, it is breaking as a very strong resistance. The pricing could not break it out. Despite this long spike to the upside, the pricing could not break it out. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for 3 or 4 days, the price has been moving above this resistance, and now it is again moved down and retested the previous resistance of the triangle. That triangle was, by the way, broken out here in the month of March 2024. And then we had a very, very massive pump, and recently the price was again re-entered the same triangle, and the previous resistance was stopping the price to move up from here. And finally, we broke it out here once again in the month of November 2024. And now again, it is breaking as a nice support for the price line of ZRX. Therefore, this support will be very critical. By the way, we have this support at 40 cents that has been previously working as a and resistance here and support here. And for several weeks a month, it has been working as a resistance here as well. And we have, by the way, already hit the target for the breakout from this triangle. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel, that move is still due. That target can be here at the top of the channel. That is somewhere between $2.50 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.